Hello, I'm Chasing Arizona, and today we'll be doing animation. So, I'm in something called Pixteller. You may not be in this, you may be in one of these little animation things when you first load this up. So, first, you can go to My Designs and you can make your own animations. I don't think we should try exploring this part. We just want to animate, right? So let's go back. Let's go to the editor. And at first, this was actually really confusing for me too. Sometimes when you animate, it goes one step back on accident. So you kind of need to be a little bit careful where you click. So when I get straight in, so this is assets I'm adding or shapes. So I want to add a a road. This is going to be like a racing type of animation. Road. So if you do this, it won't think that it's right, but you need to properly put your thing. Okay, so it looks like I got many results. So as you can see, just RO won't cut it. So it looks like I got results, but I kind of don't think that these roads are going up. I think that I want like this. This road looks promising. Okay, now I'm going to change the shape. Roads are black. Oops, I forgot to click OK. Maybe more like that. Okay. And I'm going to turn this around like this. That's more like it. And I'm going to expand this to here. Ooh, I'm not so sure if that's how it's supposed to look. Okay, yeah. That looks a little bit more realistic. Okay, so now let's add a shape. So since I said that this will be more like a car thing, I'm gonna add cars. See, C, it won't cut, A won't cut, R, car will. Okay, so I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna make the shape yellow. Okay, orange actually. And I'm gonna add this. And actually, this is going the wrong way. So I don't want to make this. So I'm just gonna delete this element. Now I'm gonna go to shapes, car, and let's see what else. None of these are really that interesting, other than this one. These two cars. Okay. So I think I might make this one a little bit more seeable. I'll make it cyan. Okay. And I'll have this orange car. Okay. It'll start off like this. I think we're quite good here. I might want the faster looking car. I guess this looks faster for me. To move, to bring to front. So this is what we see first, not the blue car in the back. I might want to make this match cyan a bit more. So would red, no, that's not red. Ooh, it looks like they don't have red. Okay, so we don't have red. I would say, is this red? Yeah, this is reddish. Okay, I guess I shouldn't waste too much time. Oops. Red. Okay, so now let's actually get to business. So if you see right here, let me move this. It says animate and hot. So you click this, and this is where you actually animate. Okay, so I think the ones that we have is this and this. Okay, so it's both of these. So I'm gonna animate this one first. So you just select it and then move it one bit. There. Now I'll select this and move this one bit. Now select this again and I'll move this one bit. And you get the memo. Pretty much animating. Okay. Okay, so like this. And then you move here like this. And then you move here. And you go like this. You move here. Go like that. You move here. And it moves up. So make sure that you select at least one of them and then move. Because if you don't, then your animations that you move won't even be counted. So make sure that your hard work actually pays off, because it should. So also, I didn't think that just like stop motion. If you haven't seen how I make stop motion videos, please check out my other videos. And with stop motion video, this is kind of the same memo. It requires a lot of patience. I can tell that already just by looking at how long it's taking me to animate every single frame. I can tell it takes quite a lot of patience when it comes to animation. Although I can tell that much more people are willing to take the patience because now there's necessarily nothing else to do. I kind of messed this animation up. So since there might not be anything else to do, this might be a good way of time pass. Honestly, I think this is actually quite a good idea. So, oh, come on, I missed this. Completely forgot about this frame. And this frame, and this frame. Move it here. And I'll move that. Wait. Okay, I just see. Okay, so that's one frame. And the next frame will go here. Next frame here. Oops. Next frame here. And the next frame here. Okay. I think we're almost done. Although, yeah, so if you see, there is a limit to the amount of animation frames that you can put. Those actually are not a limit. You can change varying on how much you want. So, like how much time it'll take. That's very weird. Okay, wait. So if you can see, something really confusing just happened. Let me just play it to make sure. Yeah. So if you see, it kind of got a little bit confused over here. So this is okay. This frame is okay. Actually, this frame, I might want to move it just a little. And so for this, And this frame, I will want to move this forward. This frame, I'll also want to move this forward, just like this. This frame, also wanting to move this forward because it might have gotten a little bit. Okay, yeah. Then move this forward. And for the last frame, wow, that took me ways back. It'll go like here. And let's make this a little bit bigger of all the instances so that we have more time to animate. About till here, okay? And so this is our frame. And so it's taken back a little bit, like this. Let's move it up, like this. Oh, it's taken me back again. So it looks like it'll take you back quite a bit, which is interesting, but also quite understandable. Actually, this part. So it may get a little bit confusing when it automatically moves stuff back. I also don't know why it's doing that. I think that's just a bug that can be fixed later on. So other than that, this is pretty much the animation. I'm gonna try to play it. Don't select it. So it looks kind of choppy just because of the way that I did it. This has actually taken quite a bit of time. So I was just like speed doing it, but yeah, overall this looks like a proper animation to me. I like this. So then render and save. I will call this race, just like this. Ah, okay, the car race. Save it. Okay, so it's loading. Ooh. So it'll just say some nice stuff. What to do now? Download. That actually looks much better out of the renderer and in the animation. I think they smoothen it out a little bit. Although this is only 2 seconds and it took 5 minutes, it still is quite a work of art. Actually, forget what I said. It's not a work of art, but it is. It does take quite a lot of time to make a 2-second animation. So now that it's downloaded, wait, I'm gonna click download. There, it's downloaded, and I think pretty much other than this, this is what the animation is. I'm not sure what public animation is supposed to mean, but I don't know. So I would just ignore that. Maybe it's really public, but oh, so private. So it looks like you might need to upgrade some stuff to get extra stuff. Looks really weird, but okay. So pretty much other than that, and other than this animation, you go try out your own animations. That type in the comments after you go to pixteller.com. I give you the challenge to, so if I can get 3 likes and what how about 3 likes and 2 comments on this video? I will make another animation, this time 5 minutes right in front of you. It can be about any comment, anything you do in the comment section. And also my other challenge is for you to create in at least 2 or 1 second animation, just like mine, and send me the link, and I want to see what you can come up with. So pretty much other than that, bye. So hope you have a good time, and hope you animate well, because I'm really interested in seeing what you animate.